Blessings to you, forest. Thank you for having us. Blessings to all beings seen and unseen in this forest. May you all be well, happy, and peaceful. May you live a long life. May you be protected. May you be free from anger. May you be free from harm. Oh, there's a little froggy that just jumped out of my way. May you be happy, peaceful, well, peaceful. And may you be able to take care of yourself joyfully. May you be free from harm, internal harm and external harm. And I thank you, Forest. I thank you, Mother Earth. I am so grateful